Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete Google Chrome search history. So let's get started. So to do that, what you can do is just open up your Google Chrome application. After opening up your Google Chrome application, just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top left corner of your screen, then tap on history. After tapping on history, now what you can do is just tap on clear browsing data. And after tapping on clear browsing data, now what you can do is just select this first option which says browsing history. You have to uncheck this second option which says cookies and data, because it saves the website that you have logged in before. So example, you have logged in your Facebook, and next time when you open up your browser and then search for Facebook, your Facebook will be automatically logged in. But by deleting these cookies and site data, what it does is you have to re-enter your Facebook password and email, and then again you have to log into your account. So if you want to clear your cookies, you can, but if you don't want to do that, you can just uncheck this option and you can select this third option which says catch images and files. If you want to clear your saved passwords, you can just check this option, and you can also clear your autofill form data, and you can also clear your site settings. So you can select the options that you would like to clear and then tap on clear data. After tapping on clear data, just tap on OK, got it. And after doing that, you can see I successfully cleared your browser history. So that's it guys, this is how to delete Google Chrome search history. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.